Okay, so this is an introduction to Kafka streams. So maybe with the following Twitter tweets topic, you may want to do filter only tweets that have 10 likes or replies, or count the number of tweets received for each hashtag every 1 minute. And you want to put this result back into Kafka. Or maybe you want to combine the two and get an idea of trending topics in a hashtag in real time. With Kafka Producer and Consumer, it's really hard to do this because it's very low level, it's not developer friendly, and these two APIs were not meant to really chain one another. So this is why Kafka Streams came in. So what is Kafka Streams? It's a library, so it's a Java library that allows for easy data processing and transformation within Kafka. So we have Kafka here, and maybe you want to do some transformation, some enrichment, fraud detection, monitoring and alerting, or whatever you can think of. The idea is that Kafka Stream is a standard Java application. There's no cluster to run it on, it just works just like that. You don't need to create a separate architecture for it. It's highly scalable, elastic, and fault tolerant. It has exactly once capability. It's one record at a time, so there's no micro batching, such as maybe Spark would do it. And it works for any application size. It could be a small application or a big application. It will work the same way. It scales just like a consumer group. So the architecture again is we had Kafka Connect, and then Kafka Streams is on the right-hand side this time, and this is where we transform our data in and out of Kafka. So as you can see on the right-hand side, Kafka Streams can take data from one topic or multiple topics and put it back into Kafka into one topic or multiple topics. Overall, we have sinks. And so when we're done with the transformations, we put data back into the sinks, maybe using Kafka Connect clusters. So on the right-hand side, this is what we'll focus on right now. Now again, in history, the API was introduced as part of Kafka 0.10, which was sometime in 2016, and was fully matured as part of 0.11, which is in 2017. It has actually undergone a lot of different transformations over the time and is really evolved into Kafka 2.0. But at this time of writing, it's one of the only library that can do exactly once with Kafka 0.11 and above. To me, I think it's a serious contender to frameworks such as Spark or Flink or NiFi because it's so easy to operate and it's so easy to just write a topology to do what you need. It's extremely active, so you never know if there's going to be some changes, but overall, I think that now it's on 2.0, it's quite stable. So for example, we want to filter some tweets. So we want to have a tweets topic and put the result back into Kafka. What we want to do is to chain a consumer and a producer. So take the data from the tweets topic, put it in the consumer, then do some logic. For example, say, I will only keep tweets for the users that have a lot of followers, and then produce it back into a new topic. And overall, this is super complicated to write if you wanted to write it right now, because you have to deal with concurrency, error scenarios, resumes, reset, etc., etc. So we'll see in the next lecture how we can do this just using Kafka Streams straight from IntelliJ, our Java development environment. So are you ready? I'll see you in the next lecture.